Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. Thus today I am here with a very simple and easy to make braid. It can be used as a lace, it can be used as a trim, it can be used as a hairband and whatnot. And this is made with simple chains and single crochets, and the skill level is considered as easy. And I used my hobby store Aran premium acrylic anti-pill yarn and 5 mm clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video without any delay. And to highlight more, this is worked in short rows and hence it can be crocheted to any length that we require. Chain 5, slip stitch and join to the first chain, form a ring, chain 1, this is row 1, 6 single crochets into the chain space. Chain 4, one single crochet in the same chain space. Now turn your work, 6 single crochet, chain 4, 1 single crochet in the chain 4 space. Chain 4 and single crochet all in the same chain 4 space. Again turn, 6 singles, chain 4, 1 single in the chain 4 space. Turn. So repeat row 2 for the desired length of the trim. Okay, so I shall continue a few more repeats and get back to you. So I made a few more repeats of the pattern, row 2, instructions for row 2, and this is how the trim develops into, or the braid. It's called the crescent braid. It's shaped like a crescent and hence it's called the crescent braid, as I told you before. So we complete this very tiny, easy trim or the lace, which can go with any of our projects and dresses. It can go into the hairband too, and sky is the limit for your imagination to use this simple braid. So friends, thank you for watching this video patiently. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.